Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I don't know what's going on with my videos. I really don't know. This is the second time that I screwed up on posting my videos and everything. But if you saw the glimpse of what I was saying, I was sharing some of the papers that I picked up at Walmart. They were $1.50, $2 a pad. And they're not, they say it's 67-pound cardstock, I guess, but to me it seems a lot thinner. But it's really cute paper. This one is Celebrations, and it's an 8.5 by 11. And for $1.50, I was like, cool. I thought they were all $2. But this was $1.50. I love this ice cream. Ice cream, love it. So this one is donuts and polka dots, birthday presents. So I thought this would be a really cute paper pad to use for birthday cards. Um, you know, so there's that one, and they had tons. Well, I went to two Walmarts. One of them didn't have any paper, so I know that they're getting rid of their papers. And the other one had a ton. So these are the ones that I picked up because I have so much paper. I just really don't need any more paper. But for this price, I thought it was good. So this is the Vintage Market paper pad, and it is so adorable. I couldn't help but pick it up. Um, and on the other side, so these are all, it looks like these are from Colorbach, but it says Roby by Marami. I don't know what it sounds like, but it's, to me it looks like Colorbach. It's made in China. Okay, well, these are all the papers that these had, and I just love it because I'm a sucker for vintage papers. So I love the pinks and the mauves and the browns and the golds in this paper pad. It's just, that's kind of interesting. Maps and flowers in dark red and pink. So that's pretty cute. I like this with the lace. This like a motif. This is kind of like, what do you call it? Oh, I can't remember the word. What it is. It's not retro. It's um, can't remember. But I love all these florals, music notes. This gold paper is really pretty. This flower with the script, that is so me. Um, so there are some papers in here, and if you don't use this on, on a card or anything, these would be great to make envelopes out of, policy envelopes or, card envelopes. So yeah, so I got that one. That was Vintage Market. Then I got a mixed media one. This is a color box. These were all $2. And I think I already have this paper pad, but I couldn't help it. I just love everything about it. So I got another one. This would be great for collaging, because it's not real thick. So I got that one. Then I think I got this one as well. And this was $2. And I just thought these were just cool papers to have. Oh, I just love that um, sewing pattern. It's like, oh, I just love it. Oop, sorry. Oh, wine corks. This is like an Asian umbrella. So cute. Look at these flowers. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my gosh. I mean, I love these. I love these. I love the typewriter keys. Everything. I just love that. I love the typewriters. I wish I owned one of these. I have an old one, but it's not this old. But yeah, so I got that one. Now this one is just plain boring white, snow white paper. It is color book, American Crafts. This was $1.50. No kid. $1.50, made in Vietnam. Didn't know that. But I don't know how many pound of cardstock this is. But it is just white cardstock, and it's probably how many sheets do I get? 40 sheets, so not bad for $1.50. All of these papers, so I you can always use it. So I got those, and then I went to a Dollar Tree, and these are just the two things that I found. I've been looking for these stickers forever. I think they are adorable. And I'm not going to use it. I probably will use these on maybe on a deck the year or something, but not. I'm doing something different with my Halloween cards this year. So anyway, I got that. And then I finally found these. There was just one pack left. And I haven't seen any of the hotel keys anywhere. And I found these black ones. And I'm like, what the hey? I might as well pick it up and get my hands on. I got my hands on these, so I love that. So what else? Okay, so my good friend Nada, she used to live in Puerto Rico, and we did a swap a while back, and she just found it. She's done several moves, and she finally got a box that had all the things that we had swapped. And we've done a couple other swaps in the past. She's done a what do you call it? Like a journal, a steampunk journal. Yeah, it was a steampunk journal. She's made me the little bitty bear junk journal laminated book. This year, let me see. Oh, not this year, but the swap that we did, she made me some beautiful Julie nutting tags. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love everything about this. I am from Hawaii, and I am part Korean. Um, so I just absolutely love this card or tag. Look how pretty. Uh, we need to do another tag series. Look at this one. This one is gorgeous. Look at the pretty I don't know what you call this. Applique. It's not lace, and then she has all these cute, I don't know, these cute trims, and these beautiful flowers. I think these are Prima. It's got to be Prima. Oh, and then she has these gorgeous gemstones. They're like flower gems and pearls. And then look at this doll. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, and flags. I just, I love everything about this card, or what do you call it? Tag. Because I loved you. I want to do some tags with the Julie Nutting dolls. I have some new ones that I bought, and I would love to make these tags. I don't know what size tags these are made of. Um, they're 4 by 8.5, 4 by 8.5 tags. You know, to make sure they fit on the tags. I want to do something like that next year. Okay, then she gave me this. I think this is from Dollar Tree as well. But I never could find the red, I think. And she found it for me. So I love that. So she got me that. Um, then she put in, um, she made me another, what do you call it? I want to say it was another book or it was a tag or something. I can't remember. Where is it she had given me? But our swap had something to do with the gorgeous girls, and she made me an altered, what do you call it, composition book. And I love this. I don't know what technique she used, but it looked like she painted it, and I don't know, it's just gorgeous. I just love everything about it. Okay, then she gave me, she is doing a lot of canvas journals, tissue boxes, and she told me, Teresa, I'm going to make you one. And she asked me which one I would love, and I told her I gave her a whole bunch of paper, Hello Kitty paper that I never used, and my daughter's so much older now, and I never used it, so I gave it to her because she was making these notebooks or junk journals. And she gave me one. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Nada. Oh my god, I love this Hello Kitty pen with the cute little beads and the rundels, and I just love this little bead. I think this is a bead. Yeah, I just love that. I just love it. I love it. Love, love, love. And then look at this book. Look how pretty. She takes so much time and effort to make one of these. Thank you so much, Nada. Isn't that gorgeous? And then inside, it has 4 signatures. And then look inside. There's a pocket right here, and she covers it with felt. So it's a canvas. And then she lines it with felt. It's so pretty. Look at this. Oh, I love the pink. Added some paper. And then here are all the papers that she used. Oh my gosh. I love this one. I love this one too. So this is from my good friend Nada. Thank you, Nada. I love these. And everything you gave me is gorgeous. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.